You have an image, and when you check the DPI, it's only 72, or extremely low. Now, how do we create and turn this into a 300 DPI image? Well, it's relatively easy. What we want to do is use a website like this. This is clidio.com/DPI converter. Now, what I'm going to do is link this down in the description. This is also completely free to use, and you don't even have to sign up for an account. Now, once you're on here, all that we have to do is take our image, and then we can just drag it directly onto the website. Then we have a few different options with increasing or decreasing the DPI. Now, the default setting is 300 because most of the time that's what we're going to use. So we're going to leave that on that. Now, you can also do custom as well, but we're going to choose 300. Click continue. It's going to take a few seconds to do its thing, and it's going to increase the DPI of that image to 300. Now, from here, all we have to do is click download, and then we can open this image and take a look at the DPI. So this is the original. If we take a look, it's 72 pixels/inches. So it's a 72 DPI. If we close that, now if we take a look at the new one, as we can see, we now have 300. So that's just how easy it is to create 300 DPI images, and completely for free. And again, I'll link this website down in the description. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.